Hello everyone and welcome you all to our geography class. Today we will start a new chapter that is air. So let's first understand what air is. Actually, you all are quite familiar with the breeze that flows around us, and to that only in our simple words we call air. So, this air is a mixture of different gases which makes up Earth's atmosphere. Our Earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air called atmosphere. And this atmospheric layer is very essential for all living beings for their survival because it provides us with the air we breathe, and it also protects us from the harmful effects of the sun rays. And hence, the atmosphere is the most important domain of the earth. So let's study what the atmosphere is made up of under the heading the composition of atmosphere. The atmosphere is composed of several gases, water vapor, and dust particle. The important gases which are there in atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, helium, carbon dioxide, neon, hydrogen, and ozone. Now, just observe the quantity of each gas in the air. By volume, nitrogen is 78% and oxygen is about 21% in the air. Together, these two gases make 99% volume of the atmosphere, and the rest 1% are many other gases which are very less in volume, but they all are very important for us. So, let us understand the importance of these gases one by one. Nitrogen is used by plants for their survival, but plant cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. The bacteria that live in the soil or on the root of some plants takes nitrogen and changes its form so that the plants can use it. Oxygen is vital for the survival of all human beings, and nitrogen is vital for the survival of plants and in turn for animals. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Ozone protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun, and the dust particles become base for the water vapor to rest upon and thus form a layer of cloud which gives us rainfall. So, in our today's lecture, we have discussed the composition of atmosphere. In our next class, we will see the structure of atmosphere. Thank you.